Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to update MetaQuest 3. We will start by clicking on the Quick Settings access and then click on Settings. After that, we are going to enter the System option. Here we are going to click on the Software Update option. If there is an update available, the notice will appear here. You also have the option to activate automatic updating when we have the MetaQuest 3 turned off and charging. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.